It's been over 2 years since I last shared a night out with Buzz, Potter and Lou. The plan was woodland, but the weather had other ideas, so tonight we've come here instead. Dent House. An old stone shelter sitting quietly on the Bolton estate, built for work, not comfort. These walls have stood through countless seasons, offering shelter to whoever happens to pass through. Outside the weather moves in. Inside things slow down. Some friendships don't need much, just time and a place like this. Just one night out, a fire to warm the room, time to catch up. I baked a new crumble by the fire for us tonight, but before that Potter cooked up a chicken balti over the fire, so tonight proper comfort food for a night like this. Plans change, but the reason for coming out here doesn't. So make a brew and enjoy. Hello you lovely people and welcome back to a new video. This camp has been 2 years in the making, so stay tuned, see what we get up to. Absolute beautiful backdrop of today's location. We are at Dent House, Bothy, on the Bolton estate. I did come past this last year while doing was it Harriet's Way with Paul and Adam, and we planned to stay in here, but tonight I'm with Buzz, Lou and Potter. We've been trying to get out for 2 years. Every time we nail down a date comes, we get hit with a storm. So we're finally camping. I'll give you a little tour. So, here's a flushing toilet. The walls are moist. Time to clean it. So we're going to make a banoffee crumble, new recipe for me. So we start off by just lining the pot with butter using layer pack here. It's going to stop the mixture burning to the bottom of this pan. Just a slight layer. Now we slice up some banana. Layer the banana in the pot. Add a bit of mixture of brown sugar, cinnamon and nutmeg. Slight sprinkle there. Then we add some caramel. Nice layer of caramel over the bananas. Nice generous amount. Now we add another layer of sliced banana and another layer of caramel. Very messy job. Now we add the crumble top. Made this at home, so in there we've got butter, flour, cinnamon, and we've got milk chocolate, dark chocolate and white chocolate chunks. We will then add more brown sugar, cinnamon and nutmeg to the top. Lovely jubbly. So recording this part, I forgot to turn my microphone on, but the lads here are attaching a phone to a drone because we could not get signal. Potter needed signal to get message home about football. It's his lad's football team. I believe the drone got up to about 290 foot just to get a signal. Brilliant bit of ingenuity and a good laugh for us as he sends his £900 phone up in the air. Brilliant. And if you know, you know. Tactical Duck is looking after tonight's supper. Crumble. Got a couple of candles going, lights. Got a nice blazer going. Curry. Hot water. Some rice. Naans. Chef Dan. Potter is cooking us up a feast. Lads are outside with a drone and a phone to try and get a signal. Beers on the go. We've carried all our own logs in. Little butte there. Trolley. Saves us carrying all the heavy stuff. Oh, there's my drink. And I'm on twisted fruit. Oh. I've got squirty cream as well to go with the... It'd be rude not to. Caramel flavoured. This will go with the crumble. Lovely jubbly. Don't know what the Arsenal score was. It was 1-0. Martin Zubimendi 5-7. But I'm down there. There's my rubbish. But yeah, just been chilling, get this fire going, cooking up the curry. Balti.
Set you down with curry, but good crack in it.
candlelit meal, candlelit curry in a bothy, cooked by Dan. Enjoyed by us all. Crumble, crumble. Sausage and egg McBothy McMuffin. Just wrapping up inside. All we've got left to do, we're just sweeping up now. All our bags are packed, rubbish is bagged. What a cracking little bothy this is. Again, thank you very much for watching, and if you haven't already, please consider liking and subscribing, it really helps it. Barbecue. That's us all done. We've locked up, we've cleaned up, and that is another cracking camp done with the lads. Hopefully it's not going to be another 2 years till we have another one. So keep tuned in, guys. We might bring back Potter, Buzz and Lou and another camp.